to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Wendy and I am a content creator based here in America. You guys, so I got in yesterday. We got to the airport actually around 3:15. We landed around 3:15. We did not see our load. So we waited for like an hour plus before the whole thing came out, and then we headed home, came back. We're so tired. See, I think I closed the vlog in the car on our way here. But yeah, that's about that. Nothing really has happened. I got in yesterday, made noodles, ate, slept, woke up this morning, and it's so cold. Forget I'm wearing this, bro. If you go outside, what do you tell you? Anyways, I just wanted to open up the vlog. Started unpacking already. That was when I remembered that I'm supposed to be vlogging all of that. So if you look there, you see that we've unpacked some of the stuff we got here with, and we're also supposed to go get our social security number today to start working, because we're here on a work visa. And I think that's the whole update I have for you guys. Basically, I just came here to introduce this vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to try my best to carry you guys along through the whole process. Bro, this is my very humble beginnings. So if you're here, you are a day one for when I blow, you know, when I finally now hit it big. Just know that you're a part of my humble beginnings. So if you're here and you just see me for the first time, my name is Wendy. Once again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later on in the vlog when I finally decide, or when I finally know what I'm doing. Because right now I'm just trying to put everything in order so that my head can be in order, because everywhere is disorganized. And yeah, later on in the video I'll show you guys where we'll be staying, and I'll just do a little tour. Like, it's really not too much here to see, to be very honest. Not too much here to see, but I'll still show you guys because I know you guys love to see all of that, okay? But yeah, this is my very humble beginning or our humble beginnings. So I'll see you guys later on the vlog. Bye.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the bed, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature. You got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want that, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. Here's me.
Alright, so looking around, I tried to get my body, like the summer body. So we're currently at the gym, just trying to check everything out.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me.
cold wants to finish because but really I'm trying to look for a big spoon, like 7 spoon that I can use to cook soup so that I can eat something that has oil if I fall sick. I don't understand why I can't find it here. It's just like tiny little spoons I'm seeing. Let me show you guys.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete. When you cheat, we're lose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I think about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I think about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I think about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I think about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Yeah, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again.
So we are finally done putting this place together. As you can see, it took more than 1 day, honestly. We're so tired after putting the kitchen together, so we just left the bedroom and the bathroom as well. Really nothing to see here, but I'll still show you guys because I'm sure you guys want to see. So this place is more like a serviced apartment. It has all the things that would need: kitchen utensils, bed, TV, bathroom, everything that we need basically, right? And I'm staying here with 3 of my friends. Sorry, I'm staying here with 2 of my friends. Yeah, there's just 3 of us: me, Oiza, and Michelle. So that's pretty much all the updates. That's pretty much everything that you guys need to know. I'll just go ahead and show you guys what this place looks like, and yeah. All right, so let's start from this. So this has our spices, crayfish, salt, all of those, red oil, groundnut oil, and here we have mayonnaise, butter, pepper, more pepper, spaghetti, tomato paste, sardines, more bama and cup, and then there's custard at the back. And then up here we have milk and Milo, and yeah, And then the final cupboard here, we have noodles, and we have this biscuit, we have cornflakes, beans, this is another custard, and yeah, that's pretty much what we have here. Okay, and next on my list would be coming down here. So this is our plate rack. The pot and everything was already here, right? We didn't buy anything new. Then this is the cooking gas, this is the toaster, some of our stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much what we have here. And then we have this sink, and yeah, that's pretty much all there is to see here. So by this other side we have the microwave, we have the fridge. There's really nothing here again. So apple juice, berries, stockfish. The bathroom is right here, and this is the entrance to the room, and then the kitchen is over here. And okay, let's go to the bathroom, right? So opening this up, and this is what we have here. So there's the shower here, and then there is me here. Hello. And this opens up like this, and then there is this thing, the WC, this, and then this is the dustbin. All right, so let's close this up. Okay, so this is what we have in this part of the room. Yeah, so this upper part, we have our TV, everything, the bottles, TV cables, we keep our coins in this cup. And as you can see, our boxes are still very much unpacked. And then this part of the room is where we have a bed. So this is the bunk bed that we use right now, and then there is another bed that we use. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And then right there is where our creams, skincare products, and everything is, and that's pretty much all we have here. So you can see our boxes are still very much unpacked, and we don't really have a sleeping position. Everybody sleeps where they want to sleep. Want to sleep here today, you do. If you want to sleep there tomorrow, you do. That's your business, okay? And now this is the other room right here. Okay, so this is the second room. This is what it looks like. Shoes, towels, everything is still everywhere. Nothing is really arranged. Most of this stuff that are out, our skincare stuff that we really need, boxes are still unpacked, so nothing really going on here. This is the bed. Most times two of us sleep here, one person sleeps outside, or one person sleeps here and the other person sleeps outside. Nothing really, like there's no manner to it or anything. So this is pretty much the whole house, and this is where we are currently living. So there's just 3 of us here, and yeah, that's it.